From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening and thanks for joining us here on CNET. I'm your student meteorologist, Alex Uclo, bringing you this Campus Weather Service forecast. I really hope you got out to enjoy the nice weather today because scenes like this we're not going to see for quite some time, unfortunately. Currently here over the Happy Valley, you can see sunshine. 70 degrees is our temperature and it's very comfortable out there. No humidity to speak of with that dew point in the low 40s. And there is a breeze out of the west-southwest around 9 miles per hour. That rain or that mess that we saw yesterday is starting to move well on out to the east. You can see pushing off the Jersey Shore there. And we're left with just sunshine here across PA this afternoon. And I wanted to show you the sunrise this morning. I thought this would be one of the nicer things you'd see in this forecast. We'll take you through sunrise here, so we'll play it. We'll start it overnight tonight, and then there goes the moon. And as we stop it here around 7 a.m., you can see quite a sunrise that is over Beaver Stadium. Other than some high clouds there in the background, we were full out sunshine today, with the exception of a few fair weather cumulus clouds that developed in the heat of the day. But overall, it was a very nice day here across central PA. Temperatures across the region right now are in the low 70s, 73 in Bellefonte, 73 in Carlisle, 72 currently in Selinsgrove, 60s and 70s anywhere you go across the Commonwealth today, 75 in Harrisburg, 73 in Philly, and back in my hometown in Pittsburgh, currently sitting at 70 degrees. We start to introduce the risk of rain tomorrow, and it's going to continue through really the rest of the week. We're going to see an area of low pressure moving south from Canada, and as this low pressure moves south into the Ohio Valley tomorrow afternoon, it's going to stall and just bring a continuous feed of moisture here from the Atlantic. So tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to introduce the threat of rain. It's only going to worsen, though, as we head into Thursday. You can see that low just kind of sits there over the Ohio Valley. It's not going to move very much here over the next couple of days, and that's going to bring in this easterly wind, and you send that up over the mountains. That means a lot of clouds, and as well as a lot of rain, and that's going to be the story here as we head into your day on Thursday. Rain likely, and it could be heavy at times. Playing it through Friday here, very similar story, continuing the threat of showers as the low just kind of sits there off to our south and west, and it really won't be until this weekend when we can finally get this low out of here. But until then, we're looking at a very soggy and cool stretch of days here across Pennsylvania. We'll take you in for a closer look just to show you how this rain is going to evolve here closer to home over the next couple of days. You can see just some scattered showers tomorrow afternoon, nothing big in terms of any all-day rain or anything like that. But as we play it through Wednesday night and into the afternoon on Thursday, you'll start to see those those darker colors and those heavier rain bands moving through. And you'll see as we head past noon on Thursday, that's going to continue to be the trend. So definitely watch out for that. We're going to be watching for the threat of flooding here across central PA as we see this continuous rain moving through the area. As for tonight, though, you can expect mostly clear skies. Very quiet night, although it's going to be very cool. Low temperatures down into the mid to upper 40s, so definitely going to need that jacket as you head out tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to gradually increase the cloud cover, as well as introduce the risk for showers in the afternoon, primarily after about 2 o'clock. Not going to be an all-day rain, though. High temperatures back up to near the 70-degree mark. We really might not get out of the 50s as we head into Thursday. That rain that I mentioned is going to be likely for much of the day. Continuing into the day on Friday, we're going to continue to see showers, and that's going to be the trend as we head into Saturday. But I think by Saturday, there's going to start to be more spotty and more scattered. So I think for the football game, you might be okay for part of it, but we're still going to keep that threat of showers in there. It really is not going to be until Sunday when we start to see a relief from the rain. We'll call it mostly cloudy with just the threat for an isolated shower. And by Monday and Tuesday, we start to reintroduce the sunshine as our temperatures start to recover back to 70 degrees. Thanks for tuning in. I'm your student meteorologist, Alex Uclo, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.